Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Right now we have almost 232 oxygen beds in GMC out of 393 patients admitted. You imagine the kind of oxygen that we are consuming. We, on an average, yesterday's I'll tell you, we are using 40 trolleys of 48 jumbo cylinder in one trolley. The one jumbo cylinder gives you 7 cubic millimeter of liquid oxygen, which is 6,000 gaseous oxygen. When you take a ventilator, you need 10 liters oxygen per patient per minute. If you use HFNO, you need 60 liters of oxygen per patient per minute. And if you just use a nasal mask or nasal prong, you need 6 liters of oxygen per patient per minute. So imagine if I have 200 patients and you multiply, but there are a lot of patients on ventilator. Why they are on ventilator? Because they have come with very advanced CT severity score. This is exactly what we want to tell through media, to please don't wait till you become critical. We do CT scan, every day we are doing 300 odd CT scan. So in a CT scan, if you pick up something like score 7, you can definitely save this patient. But if he comes with a score himself at 20, who can save? Even the best ICUs cannot save. It is 1 crore liters of oxygen per day is required as of today. And we are projecting 3 times. We might require 3 crore liters. The kind of oxygen that we need now, it is not we only, it is the whole country.
On by GMC only.
GMC only, I am talking of GMC only.